Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about how to create new application and how to add the personas and portals. Okay. For that, whenever we are working on any new Pega application, we will use the administrator at the pega.com. We will log in with this operator ID with the password install. Okay. So this operator ID, whenever we log in with this operator ID, we will be logged into the Pega rules application. Now, for creating a new application, we just have to click here on the application menu, and here we have the new application. When we click on the new application wizard will be opened. Here I am going to give build from scratch. We have traditional UI, Cosmos, theme Cosmos, and Cosmos React. I'm going to select the theme Cosmos. Application name, for suppose I want to give the application test learn application something. Okay, I can create application, it will be created, but before that we can do advanced configuration of this application. For suppose this application is a framework application or implementation. What is the application ID, version, and organization? I'd like to give something like, what can we give? Royal Bank, for something royal. Okay, division, maybe training division, training or coaching. Okay, unit, unit we can give Hyderabad. Okay, now the class structure is going to be royal dash test learn dash work. Okay, click save and click create application. When we click on create, now the case this application is going to be created. Yeah, application is created. Now let's add the users. So what we need, first of all, we need admin at the rate test learn something.com. We need the administrator. We have other. Okay, other, add the other. After this other is added, we can send the invitation or done. Now what I will do is I'll go to records. Under records organization, let's go to operator ID. See here, admin at the rate test learn, this is created, and this is the access group. Okay, so for suppose I'd like to, I'm on checking this option because next time when I log in, it will ask for password change. I don't want to do that, so I'll update the password to RULES, rules password, submit, save it, log out, and now whenever we log in, if you see here, App Studio is launched by default. That is because our access group has pointed to, let me show you. Let me go to the Dev Studio, and in Dev Studio, open the operator. In operator, open the access group. In access group, if you see PX Express is the default portal, means defaultly whenever we log in, this portal will be open. I don't want to log into the PX Express, means App Studio. I want to show the developer. Then let me save it and log out. When I log in back, Dev Studio will be launched. Okay, and as these portals are available, I can launch the App Studio as well. Okay, now for suppose when I go to the users, we can add the personas. Okay, we can add the portals. Okay, let me create one portal. What I will give is test portal or test users portal. Okay, submit. Yeah, portal is added now. Now let me go back there and now an access group. This test for users portal means this is the access group. Persona means access group. Here, let me manage channel. In channel, we can create the portal. Okay, portal. I'm going to give the same portal. Submit. Okay. Whenever we create the portal, we can add whatever we want. For suppose I want to add the my work list. I want to add the tags. I want to add the files. I want to add the documents configuration. Okay. So we can add whatever we want. And also let's click on save. Now the portal is created. Access group is created. Okay. And personas channel are there. Case types of data objects will create later. Now let's move to the Dev Studio. In the Dev Studio, go to records, and in records, in the security access group, if you see, this is the test access group that I created. Okay, I should not put the portal here because it is the naming convention is showing like it is a looks like a portal, but we should just give the access group in name like the set of people, testing users, QA users, or CSRs, managers, admins, whatever the name of type of people are there, that type of people will have separate access group. And here default portal for this access group, we have not given the default portal. How can we give that? Let me move back to App Studio and manage. If you see here, this user test users portal, this is doesn't have the mm, yeah, users user management and people and portals and pages. When we go to user management portals and pages, you can see here test users portal is the access group, test users access group. Which portals they should have? We have created this test users portal. It is by default. We have selected this test users portal for this access group. Okay, save it. Okay, now let's come to the Dev Studio. Open the access group. Open this test portal. If you see here, the portal name is updated. Okay, and it has these roles and all. So yeah, now I'd like to create the operators for this test users. So suppose come here and we can click on create button, or we can open one and click on save as. Give the name like test user one, test user one at the rate test learn. Okay, create and open. Full name give this email ID. Yeah, the access group is something we have to give this access group. Save it. And if you want to create another one, we can save as. Or if you want to create new one, you can come here, click create, and give the test user 2. Create and open. Okay, test user 2, test user 2. X group, test learn, test users portal. Select it, save it. Okay. And when we you save as, all the other values saved from the world operator ID. But here, this everything we have to select. Our royal division. Okay. One and then after password, when we come to security and update the password with rules, submit, save. This is how we create the operators, and application is created and access group is created, portal is created. For suppose now if I log in with this operator ID, what happens? Go log out, rules, test users portal is created. Okay. Yeah, this is all, friends. Thank you.